accommodation here. There's literally no one. Whee!
I think the people here have to get up before 8 o'clock, James.
Oh, Jesus. We're off to Hulls.
We are on the Skyline itinerary this morning at 6:14 a.m. We were up at 4:30 to check out our hotel because we are flying to Sapporo today to go to the snow.
Lol. It's pretty snowy in here. What do you reckon?
That's a lot of snow. This is pretty hectic.
This is pretty sick for the first time you've ever had snow, hey?
Yeah, I'm pretty amazed. It's like actually falling from the sky still. The trees, it looks like Christmas.
So we're at our hotel room. Which hotel are we at, Hulls?
We are at Hotel Lifort Sapporo. It's voted one of the most sought after hotels in Sapporo. It's got an 8.2 on hotels.com, so we're expecting good things for average people as we are.
Just gonna see if the space is bigger than the shoebox that we were in last time.
We're wondering, James thinks it's going to be bigger. I really have no idea.
At the very least that we can sit down on the toilet and not have our knees touch the door.
Yeah, pretty much. Or my head against the wall whilst he's going to the toilet would be ideal.
Booty time!
But you know what? It's been bonding experience. Let's see what we have in here. You ready?
I'm born ready.
Oh my goodness, it's like a mansion.
Oh mate, so much space.
There's space to put our suitcases down.
So much space.
How crazy is this? Oh my gosh, and it's not an elevated rooftop bathroom. Similar bathroom to our last one, but bigger. It's still bigger.
It looks like that's knee to door. Whilst
well, I think it's my knees, not your knees.
Need to do whilst doing.
I reckon that's about our bathroom's about the same.
Oh, this is way bigger.
Oh my goodness, look at this view! Look at this. It is way bigger. The bed is still probably bigger, but the creme de la creme of this room is.
Have a look.
Wow.
It's pretty snowy. Woo!
That is so stunning.
Excited?
I am so excited. You should have just been like, bro, I'm right here.
So my girlfriend just got like hit on by a Japanese boy. He said they pretty much tried to tell little Holly that he'll keep her warm
It wasn't his fault.
throughout the night.
We asked him if there was a microwave in the building. He tried to write, I will warm it up for you, but it translated to, I'll keep you warm.
Are you warm anywhere else, Holly? Are you warm?
In my heart.
My god.
Just putting it out there that I look like I've gone up 3 dress sizes because I'm wearing like 8 pairs of pants.
James really wanted to do some washing tonight. So we have potentially not taken the best route because this is incredibly fresh. That was, yeah, Google Maps has definitely led us astray here. I feel like Bear Grylls, we've fallen over about 100 times.
Turns out we had accidentally walked through a frozen lake.
Oh, I'm very cold.
And thankfully we've arrived at the coin laundry. There was a 7-Eleven across the road, so we decided just to have some dinner there and warm up.
Nearly died.
It's been like what, 9 hours that we've been here and we've almost broken a few bones. And potentially sunk into a freezing cold lake.
Yeah, exactly. Could have been the first fatality of Sapporo 2019. Things you gotta do when you haven't seen the snow in your life. Woo! Oh yeah, okay. That wasn't as soft as we planned it to be.
Yeah, he was like, you'll probably sing halfway through.
How fat do you think I am?
Oh my god, lol.
The next morning, we headed off with the girls to one of the 3 Sapporo snow sites. This one's the snow park, and we had a lot of fun here.
Hello.
To get here, we took the shuttle bus from near our hotel. It cost us about $4, but once you arrive, entry to this snow park is actually free. So it's a lot of fun and there's lots of things to do. It's definitely worth the trip if you are in Sapporo in the winter. First up, as soon as we step outside, we are straight to the snow rafting ride. This ride was super sick, and although it was unfathomably cold being outside for this whole day, it was definitely worth it.
Just put it in your... Aftermath of being on a raft. Mika's not saying anything. I think it's pretty good. This girl nearly died. Has had to replace gloves.
Hands so cold.
Current casualties. Minka's feet are about to fall off.
My fingers are gonna come off.
Fingers are falling off. She looks like she's a peach red. Sophia looks pretty red. She's pretty happy though. This is pretty fun.
So after snow rafting, we're straight to the next ride, which is the tobogganing slide. This one is awesome. You get to race your friends down the slide. It's great.
You wanna go what?
Yo, go
Okay. Oh, smile! Wee! Wee! These are not made for the snow, man.
When you're from Queensland, this is not normal. It is very cold.
It's actually really lovely outside.
It's so cold.
Is it though?
James gave me his gloves. Thank you.
Arigato!
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Soph is still having the best time. Minka looks like she's gonna lose her limbs. It's the first time I've seen Holly do cardio in my life. Look at her, she's so active.
So we're back inside and I'm being a helpful volunteer with James's very kind words of encouragement.
Move!
But I'd like to point out that none of them volunteered to help with the little kidlets on the train.
So it's snowing.
After our big day, we went to have dinner at Odori Park. As you can see though, it started to blizzard quite hectically.
It's cold.
So we ducked off for another trusty 7-Eleven stop and then home to bed. Next week, we explore more of Sapporo Snow Festival and of course, its food. See you then!